Welcome to the official Windows 8 channel, and we will talk today about a little feature we have in Windows 8. If you have a Windows 8 machine that is made by a big manufacturer like Dell, Toshiba, Samsung, Acer, Lenovo, whatever computer you have, HP. One of the first things that you want to do is actually create a recovery media so that if your hard drive will fail, you'll be able to reinstall your Windows operating system on a new hard drive in your laptop or desktop computer. Most computers that I've seen, for example this Toshiba that I have here, it popped up in the first day that I started using it. They popped up a little window and said, look, we see that you haven't done it yet, and I think it's a good idea to make the recovery DVDs. So look for such a feature in your machine, and one of the ways you can find it if your machine has one is to click on the search in the charms bar and just type recovery, and here I have the recovery media creator, which is the Toshiba one. So look for something like that. If you have a Toshiba, obviously you'll see probably the same window here, and you'll have the recovery media creator that's going to start up, and it's going to tell you, well, okay, on what type of system do you want us to do that, and on DVDs, for example. So, and here it says in my case that I need 3 DVDs to actually make the full recovery media of my Toshiba. But some computers I've seen don't seem to have that information and don't seem to have a recovery media creator program. I've seen some Acer computers, for example, that didn't have any of those. But there's still a way that you can create them if you don't have any. And it's really, really important to have these recovery media because understand that if your hard drive in your computer doesn't work, breaks down, you lose Windows 8. And when I say lose, I mean lose in the sense that when you will reinstall a new hard drive, you'll have to pay for a new license of Windows 8 because you just lost your Windows and you don't have any recovery. So one thing that you can actually go and do is go into your search bar, and if you start typing hard, like in a hard drive, and go into settings, one of the things that you'll see is create and format disk partitions. But if you go down that list, you'll have create a recovery drive, and that's the Windows way of doing such a thing. So if you click on that, you'll be in Windows, not in your computer's recovery. And here it says you can use recovery drive to help troubleshoot problems to your PC even if it can't start. So if your PC came with a recovery partition, you can also copy it to the recovery drive so that you can use it to refresh or reset your PC. So this is a great way of taking that recovery partition, because all major brands actually work in the same way. They make a recovery partition inside your computer, and it is often invisible, so people tend not to see it really. And so what happens is when you click on this option and click next, it's going to start working, and then it's going to ask you where do you want to actually put it. And most of the information it wants to put either in an external hard drive or a USB flash drive. And here it says connect a USB flash drive. It tells me drive must be able to hold at least 16 gigabytes and that everything on the drive is going to be deleted. So once you're here, you have to plug in a thumb drive or a external hard drive, and then you'll be able to click next and leave it doing what it wants. It's going to basically create the recovery, and once it's finished, and it can take several minutes to do, you'll have an actual bootable hard drive or thumb drive that will let you reinstall or refresh your PC in case of a major disaster, which is quite a good idea. So that's the Windows way of creating a recovery media in case of a bad problem on your hard drive. So hope you enjoy our videos. If you do, please subscribe to our channel. You'll be informed when new videos are online. If you have any comments, questions on what you've seen, let us know. And maybe you have a feature you'd like us to talk about, please let us know, and we'll try to put a video online and let you see how to do whatever you want to do, and also you'll be helping others at the same time. So hope you enjoy, and that you'll come back to the official Windows 8 channel. Bye bye.